Agriculture and animal husbandry. Wheat, barley, potatoes, apples, grapes, cheese, fish, cattle, and pigs also constitute the most important agricultural and animal husbandry products of the country. Religion. In France, different religions live together without problems, which we see the extent of. Christian. Without religion. Muslim. Other religion. The most beautiful villages in France. The most beautiful villages in France are a separate association created in 1982 aimed at encouraging small and beautiful villages to improve tourism attractions. As of 2015, there were 155 villages other than that. Tourism. France is the world's fourth largest UNESCO World Heritage Site. More than 90 million tourists travel to the country every year. The country is among the 3 countries in terms of number of tourists. Tourism places. Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Palace of Versailles, Côte d'Azur, Mont Saint-Michel, Loire Valley Châteaux, Cathedral Notre-Dame de Chartres, Provence, Chamonix Mont Blanc, Alsace Villages, Carcassonne, Brittany. Editors Pic Biarritz, Rocamadour. Prehistoric cave paintings in Lascaux. Promenade des Anglais, Strasbourg Old Town, Reims Cathedral, Etretat Cliffs, Millau Bridge, Bonifacio, Vieux Lyon, Camargue, Nîmes Roman monuments, Val d'Isère, Cannes Film Festival, Épernay Champagne, Le Puy-en-Velay, Château de Chenonceau.